nowadays a lot of attacks are happening on the firewalls, and we don't know, you know, how our firewall is, reacting on those attacks. What are the things are open? What are the things are, what are the ports are open? What are the different aspect of the firewall is open? We don't know. Like generally, what happens? If we select some new job, we deploy it into some project, there are pre-configured firewalls are there, but we don't know how those firewalls configure with respect to the security, whether things are getting allowed, whether things are getting dropped, what is happening exactly over there. Why I'm saying so, because in a new environment we generally see lots of policies, lot of policy packages, and lot of other details. It's tough to us to recognize which thing is where, if any unsupported if any critical ports is open there, and due to that firewall can be get a victim of some sort of attacks. So you can understand these things by doing some basic things. Those basic things I'm going to run in this video. So kindly watch this video in the end and be with me. And launch a smart console. So basically in this video we are going to see the policies and the related things. Let me log into the firewall. So in last video we have set up the checkpoint firewall with respect to the SMS and the gateway. We have established a communication between the security management server and gateway using SIG. Now run some sort of scanning towards my firewall. My firewall has the IP address 192.168.1.200, and my management server having the IP address 192.168.1.100. So what I'm going to do, I am going to run some scanning towards my management server first and my gateway. So let me run towards my management server first and see what are the things currently is open from the management server. This is important and useful to understand how basically the firewall is configured. What are the things are open there? What are the things you need to be consider that okay, it is secure, not secure, all those stuff. So that is what going to be present here. So as you can see, this is my management server, and I can see the port 22 is currently open, having this particular version, and it's showing me what SSH key is in use, and again it's showing me that the port number 256 is also open. As you can see here, it's saying that this is my firewall thing. Then it's saying 443 is open, and rest are the ports are not open here. So currently this is what my management server shows. Now let's go ahead and do the similar scan to the gateway and see what are the things open there. What are the ports are in open state. This is again I'm saying useful because you need to understand if your firewall is vulnerable, if firewall having any sort of issues, before going into the actual configuration part. So security side you will be at a good shape. So wait for a minute. Okay, result comes and I can see port 22 is open and 256 443. So similarly both ports are open here, and Rest of the things are not open, they are dropped, or maybe uh, they are secure. So let's go ahead into the firewall, and here let's add the rule. Publish is nothing but it just saving this configuration into the management server. After that, we are going to push this configuration into the gateway. Okay, it's taking time as usual. First time policy is going to be installed into the gateway, so it may take some time. So policy installation gets succeeded. Let's go ahead and run this scan again and see what are the changes happens. So now I'm hitting scan to the gateway, and let's see what other ports are open now. So look like the result appear, and I can see there is a lot of things happen here. So as soon as I install the policy into the gateway, earlier I was saying port 22 to 56. Now I can see the 259 port is also open. The SSL HTTP, that is fine. 259. Let's see what is the then TCP, it's saying 1720. Six zero zero two zero that is also, it's filtered, that is fine. Okay. Yeah, finally we have the logs here, and I can see what other communication is getting allowed. And so it's completely services on a high ports. I think you will able to see each and every port here, because that is what nmap do, it checks everything. And that communication, that props is allowed. For example, if I open anything, uh, it shows me that, you know, rules is matching, that is fine. But I think uh, source port, destination services, but maybe there is a scope that a lot of things can be added here. uh, like how the probes are, hitting to this firewall or something like that. Anyways, guys, I hope you will found this session little bit interactive and helpful to understand some basics and glimpse of the, troubleshooting. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and have a wonderful day.